Microsoft recently announced its all-new GPT-4, and it's mind-blowing. You will not believe what I have discovered, and honestly, I didn't at first either. But hey, it's artificial intelligence, and anything is possible. By the end of this video, you'll see how Microsoft's new AI is taking the industry by storm. This isn't another video recycling content for views. I have done extensive research, and what I'm about to bring you is pure facts. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss any part of this video. Let's get started! Microsoft's GPT-4 is here, and it comes with all new modalities and improvements. At an information event on March 9, 2023, 4 Microsoft Germany employees presented large language models, or LLM, just like the GPT series, as a force to be reckoned with. In the course of things, Andreas Braun, CTO Microsoft Germany, rather casually mentioned the imminent release of GPT-4. Quote, "We will introduce GPT-4 next week. There, we will have multimodal models that will offer complete different possibilities. For example, videos." End quote. I can't wait to see how that turns out. Braun called LLM a game changer because they teach AI tools to understand natural language, and I couldn't agree less. Looking at the previous GPT-3 and 3.5 models, it's undeniable how far AI has come in understanding simple language. I mean, ChatGPT understands and spurts out text like a human. With just a few tweaks, it's hard to believe a chatbot wrote that piece of text. Something I found really cool is Microsoft's Cosmos 1, which, surprisingly, many people do not know about since ChatGPT has been all the rave. I've been mentioning multimodal models a lot, and you will see how Cosmos 1 is a step in that direction, possibly a stepping stone for GPT-4. I'm pretty sure we're all familiar with ChatGPT by now, and most likely Midjourney. Midjourney is typically image-based, while ChatGPT, as we all know, is a text expert. So what happens when you put these two together? You get a multimodal model that combines text and image. Now, some researchers believe that multimodal AI models could develop a better understanding of the world by learning from different data sources. I think that's the remarkable thing about multimodal models, and they could be used in different circumstances by different people. It could be beneficial to visually impaired people. It could also be very helpful to anyone who wants to learn about something. This model can combine knowledge from different modalities to solve tasks like describing images, and not just describing images, but doing so in natural language, something understandable to us humans. Microsoft trained Cosmos 1 with language and image data, and the result? The model can understand text and images, including answering questions about images, recognizing text on images, and writing captions for images. Microsoft released Cosmos 1 at the beginning of March, and if you haven't heard about it, don't be surprised because it's being underreported in the United States for some reason. Let's talk about Microsoft and multimodal AI development. Microsoft testing the multimodal AI waters is not new. There's DeepMind's Flamingo, which also combines image and language processing, the same as mVader. There's also Microsoft's German company Aleph Alpha that came up with Magma, also a combined language image model. I think dabbling into these cases has nicely set the pace for the coming of GPT-4. Now, if you're struggling to keep up with AI's rapid growth, brace yourselves because GPT-4 takes it up a notch. How? Keep watching to find out. Multimodal Large Language Models, or MLLM, combine the best of both worlds, following natural language instructions from large language models and perception aligned with language models by training on multimodal material. This is precisely what GPT-4 is. A multimodal large language model. As a multimodal model, it would offer new capabilities compared to large language models like ChatGPT. GPT-4 promises extraordinary results across a wide range of language and multimodal tasks. GPT-4 has taken things a step further by including a third modality, video. So now, we don't just have text, we're going to have images and videos as well. This will be interesting to see. We will be getting different forms of content from GPT-4 instead of just one, which is mainly text. Will it be better than Midjourney, ChatGPT, or DALL-E 2? We'll find out in due time. The CTO Microsoft Germany also stated that technology had come so far that GPT-4 works in all languages. Apparently, you can ask a question in German and get an answer in Italian. We are sure in for exciting times in the coming months, all thanks to Microsoft. They seem to be getting a head start in the AI race. If you agree with me, hit the like button and share this video with your AI besties. And now, to the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's take a look at GPT-4's capabilities. I told you, this video isn't just some recycled content, and I come with receipts. Here's a research paper that breaks down what GPT-4 is capable of. This is based on Cosmos One, explaining the multimodal large language model on which GPT-4 is based. So, let's dig in. The paper explains the movement from large language models to multimodal large language models, which we have discussed extensively. Here, we see various illustrations of the multimodal model in action. In this case, the input prompt is to explain why the photo is funny, and it explains that the cat is wearing a mask that gives it a smile. Here, we see an image of a smartwatch and an input prompt asking what the heart rate in the picture is. And, of course, it gives a text output of 57 BPM. If you think that's impressive, just wait. This example combined a multimodal communication of text and images between the AI and the user. It says here, what's in the picture? A screenshot of the Windows 10 window. I would like to restart my computer. Which button should I click? Press OK. Now I would not like to restart. What can I do? Click Cancel. This left me speechless. If you think this is nothing, remember, this is an AI, not a human. An AI that's capable of not only telling you what's in the image, but what to do as well. Now, remember that this is only Cosmos One, so GPT-4 will definitely have lots of improvements that I can't wait to see. Another interesting thing to see is the multimodal chain of thought prompting, which allows the AI to generate a rationale first, then tackle question answering and reasoning tasks. As we can see here, I think it's crazy to see how it fails the question at first, but with step-by-step reasoning, it eventually gets it correct. At the rate AI is going, I'm almost scared to see what the future holds. But one thing is for sure, the future of AI is undoubtedly bright, and I'm here for it. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest news and trends in AI. And if you found this video valuable, go ahead and smash that like button real quick. As always, I remain your AI bestie. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this video on GPT-4 as well. See you next time!